We have been put on a task this morning to basically catch the protein for Astrid's famous ceviche we've been hearing so much about. So we're gonna target some mangrove snapper, and I think we need about 17 to make this work today. So we got Brandon with Bean Sportfishing right there on his 24 Young. Beautiful boat, perfect for what we're gonna do, and we're just gonna have a good day enjoying a day of fishing. That's what you get here at the Designated Paradise. You can have a guide like Brandon pick you up right here at the dock of your house, go out, fish, bring it back, cook it up, and that's what the whole Keys life is all about. So we're excited about it. Let's go make it happen.
Today, folks, we're looking for dinner. We're looking for some snapper so Astrid can make her famous Peruvian ceviche handed down by her great-great-grandma. If anyone knows anything about ceviche, it originated in Peru. So this is authentic Peruvian ceviche, but we needed something to put into the mix. So hopefully you can find it in this island. And
Ceviche with vegetables only isn't exactly that good, is it?
No, this is yeah.
Proteins.
Yeah, we need some protein with them veggies. So we're gonna see if they're living in here. Everything that's on this boat is the best of its tier. Got Airmark transducers, got Hooker electric pumps for the live well, you know, the Simrad SS Evo 3s, Roswell speakers.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
They're fired up now.
That's insane.
All right, good. That power pole move trolling motor, after all the research, is probably the best motor out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously, we've seen a bunch. We haven't actually experienced them much out in the wild, so it's cool to see it. Obviously, you can see why they're so popular. That's crazy.
Once you get in there, I let them fall for a bit. Now just keep my finger on the line with the bail open. If you feel one, grab it. You'll rip the line right off your finger. You just let them chew on it.
They get up in that mangrove?
Oh, it's already on it. Yeah, look. See the line going out?
Yep.
That's a good one. See? Look at that.
That was quick.
That was quick. that's dinner right there for sure.
All right.
That's a hammer.
First cast.
First bait in the water, and that's a hammer. And look how close we are to home. Ready?
Oh yeah.
Dude, that's beautiful.
That's a
stud.
that is a
That's a hammer.
All right, check out my foot.
I call these booters. I got a size 13 shoe on, you know. I got a size 13
Holy
boot.
Shit, that is
It's bigger than the boot, so I call these guys booters. And that's what you want to put in your cooler, you know.
That's what we came to do.
That's a good old Alamrana mango right there.
Damn. Sweet.
I think mine's bigger
Give it a
than Jack Crevalle. They talk a lot.
Yeah.
They got a loud mouth, like me.
Brandon did the honors and got a nice live well of pilchards. Chummed them up there pretty quickly. Gotta get nice and tight to that mangrove. Oh, Jesus Christ. I just got it. Oh, that was my bad. There he is. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes. Oh, my Lord. What in the holy hell is this? He's coming. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Super dive. Looks like a cane pole. There you go.
Woo! Oh my God. That is freaking insane.
There's also something called some names like these.
Dude, I don't remember. Ever.
That's what we're talking about. Eric, we got a decent sized tarpon on here. Woo! Action, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We can't eat them.
There you go.
Sweet.
Oh yeah. Hey, that's a cool fish, right?
Yeah, man.
Little dinner and show action.
Yeah.
There you go.
Dinner and a movie.
Yep.
We're kind of tucked behind this little island here. Getting good sized mangrove, I mean big mangrove. Brian just got a tarpon. Be able to have this much action and accessible to you, you know, a few miles from the house. It's pretty amazing. Obviously, you need a guy like Brandon to get you here. If not, you might be in trouble. Look at this. Let it. Oh.
There's a tarpon.
Another tarpon, yep.
Good point.
Follow the leader. Got him, king.
Damn, that one might be bigger than mine now.
Woo! That is cool.
You're tight too?
Oh yeah.
That's something big. You got a big bang.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Get over here. Get over here, man.
How you doing, man? Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Yeah, buddy.
Flip or die.
That'll eat.
Got it. Ah! Got it. Ah! Please get that on
Oh,
video.
look.
Please tell me you got that on video.
Look, he coughed up one of our baits.
That is a big silver side.
Nice and spry this morning. That hook's in a real nice awkward place to get my hand. There we go. Whoop. Go ahead and open your bail. Folks, there we go. That's what everybody comes down here to see right
Nice.
there. On this
Beautiful little tarpon.
ultralight tackle. Nothing cooler
Thank you,
than
sir.
that. I'd
100%.
rather catch these little guys on light tackle, honestly, than those big 100-pounders on the heavy tackle that you have to deal with for an hour. These are
Yeah, these are fun, man.
the best.
Put on a
fish.
little show now. Enough tarpon. Let's get back on the mangrove. Bean Sportfishing. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
We got to get together and do this more often.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Go ahead, buddy.
There we go.
Holy, look at you guys.
Yeah, right? Oh yeah, get him out of there. Back to dinner.
He just swallowed it and sat in the mangrove there.
That's a good one too.
Yep.
That's why they follow each other ring. Because they always fall put their baits on the way in.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Like, I don't care about you, Tommy. Spit that bait.
There we go. It's like a cane pole.
Woo! I could sit here all day doing this. Catch a mangrove of that size.
Yeah, blast. And tarpon every now and then.
Tarpon, there's barracuda around, jack, all kinds of stuff to keep you entertained, but mangrove is what we're looking for. Oh yeah.
Hey buddy, what you been doing up there? Look at that.
Look at this thing.
Flip or die. Flip or die.
That might be the biggest.
Oh my God, this thing's got some shoulders on it. Jesus. That's a mangrove, man. Forget those 14, 15 inches.
Don't let him get you.
Yeah, you want to keep your fingers away from this thing's mouth because it will bite you. Look at that, man. Oh,
That's a couple slabs right there, dude.
that's amazing.
He's ready for the grill.
Yeah. Oh!
You almost lost it.
Imagine that he would just come. I'm going to show you guys what we have underneath this mangrove here. Go ahead, Eric. Pop it under. Got him. Got him.
There he is.
Got him.
Keep on digging on him.
That's a good root you got.
Oh, yep. If roots could move.
That's a grouper.
Get jammed in that.
Rod, low left. Low left.
Yep.
Gain on him. Low left again.
Where is that thing? Running.
Where's it
I
going?
told you, there's like, it's caved out underneath of there, dude.
See it?
Like, yeah.
Oh yeah. Dude.
It's a rock.
Oh, it's what is that, a massa?
No, that's a Goliath.
How about all that weight you've been carrying out?
Hey.
Where you at?
Hey, look, anyone can hook him in the
Hey, there he is.
lip. Anybody hook him. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah,
Phoenix
buddy.
Bag action.
Yeah, buddy.
Right? This is like the,
Yeah, buddy.
this is like the island slam now. We got mangs, we got tarpon, we got Goliaths.
Dude, we are.
Got
That's
him.
freaking awesome. This guy was eating good, man.
Yeah, thank you, Brett. No. Oh, Goliath number 2 on?
Nah, it's a big mangrove.
Oh, you guys know what it
Sure
is.
about that?
Nope, I'm not sure. You sure about that? You got a net or something?
We might have to net this one?
I don't know.
Yeah, that looks like a netter, honestly. I don't think we're gonna flip that one in.
This thing is beefy.
Got one on.
Woo. Holy shit. Oh my God. Look at that thing.
Yeah, that's a
Oh.
the biggest thing now. Yeah,
What is this?
It's almost mud size.
That's one of them how you
Oh
doing,
my
man.
God. Look at this thing. Holy Christ.
It might be stuck in there. Oh. Yeah.
So folks, you know, you are allowed to take juvenile Goliath groupers out of the water for safe hook removal purposes.
He still has the filter in his mouth.
He does?
Good for him.
Dude, is this an absolute joke on here today? Huh? Got a freaking manatee, buddy.
Hey, buddy. He's in that hole. See a little flounder, that ball right there.
It's amazing how far they run. It looks like they go halfway into that island underneath it through the mangroves.
Oh yeah, there's a, it's just all.
Look at all mangrove behind this thing. It's fun with this light tackle too.
Yeah, it makes it extra fun. I got rod.
All right, there we go. Little circle hook, man.
That's a big one.
It's a good one. Go back.
Hey, I bleed out not only my snappers, but I bleed out every fish I catch now.
Really?
I just cannot believe the difference. If you blade them right next to each other, if a bled out fish and one's not bled out, it's just, you got pink meat or white meat. You know what I mean? He's got a good one.
This will do.
Yeah, that'll do. That's over 16.
16.
Oh,
Look at that.
this guy got me on the run. Not that little. The strength that these things have in their jaw. They're
Yeah,
no joke. They'll hold on to this hook and you can't even get it out.
they'll hold on to your thumb too if you let them.
Yeah, I've gone pricked before.
That was a giant. That was good enough. Oh, that giant, he looked bigger when he ate it. Look at this one. This is number 17 right here. There we go.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Literally caught that thing in the air, huh?
What do you think?
Yeah,
Think we got enough for
let's hit
ceviche?
it. Yeah, I think we're
I
good.
think we got enough for enough.
So I think we're wrapping up. We got enough for the ceviche. We mission accomplished, I guess, here with Brandon, Bean Sportfishing. Really nice to be able to get a day like this that's windy on this young, which is a bay boat, but I mean, for this sort of thing, it really doesn't get any better. It's 9 feet of beam. We've been standing on the starboard side all day, all of us, with a live well actually set up in this side as well. And this thing didn't even lean a little bit. So we had the trolling motor going, the power pole, what is that thing called?
The power pole move.
Power pole move, quiet. There's a pretty strong current running through here, but we're pinned and we haven't moved an inch, unless Brandon has been repositioning us. But we got our 17 mangrove, exactly what we wanted, much bigger than I was expecting, and we've had a lot of fun. Now we're gonna see if we can get the kids out there for a little bit, to a little wreck, just to catch some little snappers and stuff and just have a good time with them. And then, Astrid, famous ceviche.
That's right.
Excited.
I can't wait.
All right.
Salivating over it.
All right, so a little sketchy little kind of hole we're in here of about 6-7 feet of water, but this whole surrounding area is like a foot. So Brandon just backed up. From what I understand, he's getting some running room to be able to get the heck out of here. Try just go through this little line, which is probably the width of this boat. So sketchy is an understatement. But yeah, let's send it.
All right, so we're pulling back into the designated paradise. Excellent day. Brandon, well, bad time right now.
Oh, you're good.
Thank you very much.
Go
Surpassed
drive
our
yourself.
expectations. Those mangrove were no joke. I mean, they had shoulders on them. Can't wait to slice some of that up. Astrid's gonna make that ceviche we've been hearing so much about. Maybe we fry some up. I don't know. We're gonna just enjoy a Saturday here. That's exactly what you get here in the Keys. You have guys like Brandon that can come pick you up at the house, take you in to enjoy a morning of fishing, come back, cook it up, hang out at the beach, hang out at the pool, put the music on, grab a drink, and really doesn't get any better than that. So
Less than half day time, you know, we caught almost a limit of mangs for 4 people, a couple tarpon, a couple Goliaths. As far as like being, you know, leaving 9:15, get back by noon, you know, less than 3 hours. It takes travel time. It's pretty good. Good enough for me. Got a little dinner, got a little show. So, and we're back at the dock. He's 19.
He called it. 19.
First
on
time
the dot.
we broke this out today. We don't have to measure him, did we?
We definitely, I mean, with a 10-inch minimum, smallest fish here has got to be, what? Look at the smallest one. What's the smallest one?
This guy right here. He's 13. Yeah, 13. And we threw back a lot of keepers today, honestly. Like, you know, just honestly, like once they're like less than 12 inches, I really just don't like filleting them. You know, you
don't
get
get
like,
enough out of it to make sense out of it, in my opinion, either.
right, like these 15 inchers right here, like these 15, 16 inchers, is like the perfect mang to fillet. It really is. So once they're smaller than that, I really don't even kill them. Here's a really cool trick to fillet mangs and skip their rib cage and all the bones. You start from the back of their head and you line it up to the beginning of their anal fin and you go in a straight line from there. Bail knife cuts like butter. Right there.
Sharp.
And you go right over that. You just saved your knife a lot of grief by cutting through that rib cage. Look at that, right there. That's all the rib cage right there. So you start from the back of their head to the beginning of their anal fin in that straight line.
Astrid with the leche de tigre.
Oh yeah.
From what we hear, this is the best ceviche on planet Earth. Not the area, not Florida, on Earth.
I hope so. Oh yeah.
Well, we appreciate you making it.
Oh yeah. And we just
That
give
looks
it a
awesome.
little stir.